Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian Mission Office in Warsaw, Poland hosted superiors of Salesian circumscriptions from Central and North Europe region from 9 to 12 of May 2024. The meeting served to strengthen cooperation and fraternity in the Salesian spirit and was an opportunity to share experiences, reflect on common challenges and build strategies for the future. The meeting was attended by 17 current provincials, representatives as many Salesian circumscriptions in the region, together with 3 newly appointed provincials who are about to take up their duties and the provincial delegate for Belarus within the host province of Warsaw, Poland, PLE. The meeting was chaired by Father Roman Zacik-Muis, Regional Councillor for Central and North Europe. The first formation meeting at the East Asia-Oceania regional level for Salesians in their quinquennium was held from 6th to 10th May. The event, held at the picturesque Westwood Farm in Tarlac City, was led by Father Francis Muluni, SDB, from Australia. Designed as a fertile ground for Salesians in the first 5 years of ongoing formation, the quinquennium formative meeting, hosted by the province of the Northern Philippines FIN, brought together a group of 27 participants from the provinces of Northern Philippines, Southern Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Hong Kong, and the vice province of Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands. During the seminar, Father Muluni SDB won hearts and minds with his life example and spiritual guidance. On May 3rd, Salesian schools across the UK gathered in Trafford for the annual Inter-Salesian Athletics. Each school brought a selection of male and female students to compete in competitions in various forms of athletics: relay, long jump, triple jump, javelin, shot put, and high jump. Each group was able to take part in each activity, and the first 3 of each race received their medals. Prizes were awarded to the best group in each year and to the absolute best in both the men's and women's competition. The day spent in Salesian spirit was a complete success, with great sportsmanship and friendship on the part of all participants in the event. Representatives of the Salesian Educational Radio and Television Association of Bolivia have joined forces to reinvent themselves in the digital age. On Saturday, 4th May, the headquarters of the Salesian Province of Bolivia, BOL, was the meeting point for many challenges posed to Salesian radio stations that seek to innovate with new narratives for their listeners. The main objective of this meeting of radio broadcasters and Salesian radio enthusiasts is to learn practical tools to produce journalistic and entertainment materials with knowledge of the context and in an ethical, critical, creative and responsible way. Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians, expressed his total closeness to the Salesian family in the St. Joseph's delegation of Central East Africa AFC-EST and to the thousands of Christian faithful present in Goma on Friday 10th May 2024. The Rector Major celebrated Mass in the St. Joseph's Cathedral in Goma in the presence of numerous Salesian priests and priests of the diocese, as well as political and administrative authorities, including the Deputy Governor of North Kivu Province. 4 bishops celebrated this solemn Eucharistic celebration. Bishops Emeritus of Goma, Faustin Ngabu and Tofile Kaboyi Wilingumbi Ngengele, the current ordinary of the diocese, and Bishop Christophe Amade Aloma, Bishop of Kalmi Kirungu, where the Salesians began a new presence last August. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.